Is this the best milling table which you can build in a much easier way as other complex and more expensive variations? Or did I just make the title for clickbait? I think everybody can answer this question on their own, and we will start the video. If you want to build a table on your own, you can have a look at my Instagram account. In the video description, there you will find the plan with all the measurings. At first I was starting the project at my education place in Hallstatt. I clamped the milling plate into the CNC for sinking the cutout. As you can see, it fits perfectly, and consequently I screwed them together. Now some tests if the router fits. Also the height adjustment works perfect. Therefore we assembled the groove reel. For next I worked on the rib fence, which is made of the same material as the milling plate. Some holes for the screws were necessary, and if you want a straight surface within the screws, you have to countersink all holes. Then I did all parts together, and here's a little test how the vacuum power performs. In my opinion, I did never have any better suctions. And this is all the material which we need. As in many videos, I want to keep it exciting, and that's why I didn't film these parts. So now I can mount the rolls on the bottom and also the parts where I spent time to fix the side plates. I definitely didn't film it all, but that's the reason why I make plans for you. However, next you see how I mounted on the fixtures for the doors. Finally I did all parts together, and in the end I have made a small test for you to see how it works. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you felt great, I would be happy if you leave a like and subscribe for more. I would say thank you and see you next video.